Guess who's back? Back again. Tell a friend. What's good, YouTube? And welcome back to another video with the Sticks Mobile. You guys already know, man, what we're doing. It is nice outside, so I'm kind of glad that it's not too bad out, man. It's a little cold, yes, but it is, like, you know, sunny and stuff like that. It was very nice today, besides, you know, a little cold. Other than that, it's not too bad, you know what I'm saying? But we're gonna be doing another POV drive for y'all. You heard? Another POV drive for you guys, going back on the highway. Maybe we can find some nice car out there again that, you know, wanna go with me a little bit, just a little bit, nothing too crazy. But let's see if we find anything on the highway. Other than that, we're just pretty much gonna be driving, and after that I gotta go to the gym real quick, and then I'm about to go watch the baseball game. So if you guys don't know, the baseball classic is going on right now. So today we have Dominican Republic and Puerto Rico. Obviously when you guys see this video, the game is gonna be over. So yeah, maybe you guys can catch the next one if you're into baseball. Other than that, man, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and let's get right into it. If we don't see anything too crazy on the highway, I'm just gonna be driving, bro. So you guys pretty much can see, man, that I really daily drive this car, man. I might go a couple days, like maybe a day or two without driving it, but that's because, like, if I don't drive it for a day or two, it's probably because I didn't leave the house. Because every time I do leave the house, besides work, I'm pretty much in this car, man. I really be daily driving this vehicle, man, and I can't complain. There's no issues with it. It's a good daily drive, bro. It's a good daily driver, man. It be having the pops when I want it. I be silencing it when I don't want them. So pretty much gonna be a raw just me driving, guys. I'm gonna try to talk less because I feel like I be talking too much. My sister told me to stop talking so much in the video, so let me know if I'm talking too much. I think I am, so I'm gonna shut up more, okay? All right. And my sister was like, yo, you talk so much. I said, bro, sorry, damn. It's a BMW right there. I'm gonna go ahead and pop it in sport once we get on the highway. Oh, what's this Honda behind me so close? Like, bro, give me some space, bro. Who you honking at, stupid? Obviously I can't go. Like, you go in front of me and crash. Yeah, that one is busting. Maybe if I open the back one is better. Look at this. Look at this minivan, bro. Like, what is you trying to do, bro? You want me to be on your ass? I didn't think so. You feel me? How does it feel to be on somebody's ass, huh? Look, now I'm on your ass. Now what? Yeah, I'm on your ass. Yeah, you better speed up or get out the way. I don't want to be behind cars like that close, cause next thing you know, a little rock chip. You know, like when you're behind a car, they be throwing little rocks and stuff. One of them hit my windshield, crack that shit. Nah, chill. I'd rather not. Pretty much just gonna be cruising, bro. Doesn't look like there's anything too exciting on the highway, but at least you guys pretty much get to see what it's like to daily drive this car, man. Guys, I want to focus more on my Instagram too, bro, but I don't know. I feel like making little reels and stuff is dumb hard, bro. I don't even know, like. Make sure you guys follow me on Instagram, link below. I'm trying to actually, like, you know, grind that out too a little bit. Focus more on my Instagram part, a little bit more, and yeah, just keep doing what we're doing. So I'll go ahead and pop it in sport. Oh, that thing got a little. Oh, look at that! Look at this big body right here. Should we chase him? Big body, big body. It's a X5. X5 DZ. What's up? What's up, X5? Yo, those big cars be throwing mad rocks, but I hear it literally hitting my windshield right now. That's the X5, but it's like I think that's the base model though. I did that same thing last time. I was after, I think it was a X3M, and that thing was throwing so many little, like, rock chips back at me. I said, nah, I just slowed down, bro, because I just heard it all, like, hitting my car. And that's how you pretty much get all the little scuff marks on your car, bro. Just following cars close. guys so you guys can hear it. All right, let's get it. And then we got an X6 right here. I think that's a base model too. Yes, sir. Woo! Woo-wee! Woo-wee! Uh-oh, I hear sirens. Hope they're not for me. I mean, I don't do nothing. I ain't do nothing. Nothing at all. I don't know. Is it, we've been getting a lot more sunlight lately. But I think it's because since the time went up, you know, I leave the house earlier. And so when I leave, the sun is still out. Like, you guys can see that it's sunny. If the time didn't change, by this time it would have been dark already. It's literally 6:40. It would have been way dark by now. But since the time changed, I guess, I don't know what's going on. We got some more sunlight still. We got a G-Wagon right next to me too. He's outside in the AMG. Damn, I said I wasn't gonna talk so much. Fuck, I be chatting. I feel like it's just so weird, like, to not say anything, bro. It's like you guys just watching me drive. I mean, do you guys just want me to not talk, bro? Like, just be quiet and you guys just pretty much just watch me drive? Is that fun for you guys? If it is, I mean, I'll shut up, but I just thought that, you know, it'd be boring to not talk. But I'll be quiet, fine. Whoop. All right, already. Oof, the little pew 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 sound like little shots, little gunshots. Pew pew pew. Oh, look at this beast right here. Oof, that's a monster. At M5 competition. Dang, he needs new brakes. Yeah, that M5 competition is a beast, bro. That's a beast of a car. He got it like in satin black. Thing looks nice. All right, guys. Well, your boy is at the gym. Probably pick up the camera when I come back out. Wish me luck at the gym, man. It's leg day. All right, guys. We're back out here, man. It's crazy how fast it got dark. I was only at the gym for like 45 minutes. Okay, maybe like an hour. I'm gonna stay out here. Go ahead, a little night POV drive. Half of that video. Now that had the car in park, try to go. But a little drive real quick. On my way home, take shit. I low-key want to wash my car again, but like myself this time when it's nice out, because I feel like, I don't know, it's like a lot of like see when you pass like the towel and it leaves like the mark. Yeah, I feel like there's a lot of that on the car. Whoever's in that Jeep behind me, they jamming, bro. I could hear it in my car. You guys can probably hear it a little bit too. I left the gym type early. One, I'm gonna go watch the game. Two, the gym was like, for some reason, it was packed today. Like, I don't know if they were giving like free freaking days or something to people. because it was so many people there. I couldn't even work out really. So I did a couple exercises and stuff like that, but it was packed, bro. I was like, nah, I can't work out in this, so I left. I still did, you know, I still did a good amount of stuff. And I mean, I did shoulders and some legs, so which is okay. Now, if it was upper body, like chest, back, I probably would have stick it out and figure stuff out, because I don't know, that's my favorite parts to work out. But it's all right. I don't know how much battery my camera has, but I'm gonna record it till pretty much it's dead. I know it doesn't have that much battery, and recording in like high definition or 4K, it drains the battery even faster. I know you hear those doorbells. Yo, the summer's gonna be such a vibe though. Can't wait for it. I'm always gonna be outside driving, bro. He said, "Oh." Now that guy really got the playlist right now, bro. I'm over here driving in silent. That's one of the main reasons I be talking, cause I just be in silent, bro. Cause I can't play music in my videos. Obviously, I'm gonna get copyrighted. You know. So I be most of the time I'm just mad quiet by myself. All right, let me just go on comfort, bro. Cause this street here is not the best anyway, so I wouldn't even be, you know, stepping on the gas like that. Nah, my son in the back really jamming right now in his Jeep. Or she, whoever's driving that thing. Alright guys, well, I mean, honestly, that's pretty much gonna be the end of the video, really. I already got here. It's not much driving crazy I could do or anything like that over here. It's a lot of bumps and, you know, it's nothing too crazy over here, so. Guys, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Road to 1K is still on the go. And then after that, we're going for 10,000. Oof, that's gonna be a milestone right there. 10,000 will go crazy, bro. I don't know how many years that'll take us, but it's okay. I'm here for it. So make sure you guys subscribe, like, comment, all that cool stuff, man. And I'm gonna see you guys in the next video. Peace.